Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add email pop-up on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. After that, from the left menu bar, click on the apps button and then go to the App Store. After going to the App Store, search Privy, Privy, Privy. After searching for Privy, you have to install the app. Now, after installing it and connecting it, Privy dashboard will open. So now you will click on the campaigns button, and here you have many options to set and change the email pop-up accordingly. Pop-up designs, coupon codes, style of form, adding image according to the theme, sign up updates. And after all the changes, now click on the save button. After clicking save, the design of the email pop-up will be in front of you like this. So that's how you will add email pop-up on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.